Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. What if your robot vacuum could see like a drone, clean like a professional, and look straight out of a sci-fi movie? Meet the DJI Romo P, the transparent robot that actually shows off what's under the hood. Hey, I'm your tech friend, and today we are breaking down the DJI Romo P. Why the clear shade isn't just for flex. What makes it actually different, and whether it's worth your drone or first apartment budgets. And don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Transparent design, what it is? A full clear top and partly transparent, so you can see the inner machine and water dress compartment. White master. It's a design flex that double as function. You can visually check the dust bag, mop tank, and extra parts without opening it. Great for kids who want a cool looking gadget on the camera. Standpoint. Most robots hit the deck. This one puts it on display like a mini art piece. Drone grade vision and mapping. Use binocular faces vision plus radar and DJI's perception algorithm to map rooms and avoid stand obstacles. Think cables, socks, even pet messes. White master smooth navigation favor gets stuck incidents. A smarter path planning so it clean faster and missless. Stand upon it borrows DJI's drone imaging tank so it's better at seeing the floor than many ordinary vacuums. Serious situation plus multi-mode cleaning. Up to industrial loading section DJI advises high pixel numbers. Plus vacuum mode and then mop sequence. One device handles day-to-day dust and sticky pots, useful for busy students who want one gadget to do it all. Stand up on its compared premium brands. A raw power added smarter mopping routines. Set maintaining duct auto clean and deodorized. The base station auto empathy dust clean and ramp mop pads. And has a deodorant salt and hard trims. Less hazards on the maintenance big win. When you are jungling classes or a new job, standard point. Favorites combine auto wash plus deodorant plus transparent duct visual in one backpack. Smart app and FPV style feedback. App mapping schedules clean no-go zones. And real-time camera feed for monitoring. Control from your phone between classes plus the camera double also mobile security tool. Stand upon it's built like a mini DJI ecosystem device. Mopping to camera quality feels more premium than normal RoboVacs. Good comparison. Romo P versus typical RoboVac. Typical address robots hidden internal department mopping. Basic auto empathy. Romo P's transparent stylish drone guard vision advanced self-maintenance. And storage section position as a premium. Show up model rather than a budget clean and forget unique standard. Who should buy it? Buy it you want a premium, Instagram-friendly device that actually use advanced vision tech and you value low maintenance. Great for creators, Netflix and STEM students who love gadgetry. So would you pick stylish tech Romo P or budget basic regular RoboVac? Tell me which would you pick, Romo P for the looks and drone vision or cheaper workouts of our clinic? Upper comments, I read everyone. Thanks for watching. What do you like and for more guys to update to subscribe to the bell icon for more on guys videos.